CR10X, your entry to digital quality imaging, mobile and affordable digital solution. The CR10X digitizer is compact and robust and ideal for mobile and space-restricted radiology environments. While driving, the CR10X rests on the dampers of the mobile fixation kit, which absorbs the shocks and vibrations. To prepare for operation, the panels should be turned vertically to support the CR10X in a fixed position. Mobile units are mostly used for screening and medical checkups, to improve accessibility and to reach higher participation levels. The lightweight cassette needs to be inserted into the bucky. In mobile environments, the workflow can be optimized by using the modality work list option to have the patient automatically prepared on the NX workstation. We are ready now to make the X-ray exposure. The patient study needs to be opened from the work list, and the cassette should be inserted to read out the X-ray image. While scanning the cassette, the preview image is building up. The white borders that you see are the non-exposed areas as a result of the collimation. Once the image is scanned, it is auto-cropped, Musica 2 processed, and ready for diagnosis at a central reporting department. Now the panels should be moved down to switch the CR10X back in transport position. We are ready now to drive to the next location. In the central department, the radiologist can view the images from the mobile unit shortly after the examination was performed. Once the radiologist has completed the diagnostic report, it can be sent to the general practitioner.